What not to do when applying for a mortgage. Number one, please, this has happened to me several times in the 18 years I've been doing home loans. Do not quit your job. When your lender calls you and tells you, hey, your loan is clear to close. When you're signing loan documents and before funding, or at funding, I should say, most banks or most mortgage companies will check if you're still employed. They'll verify your employment by calling your company to make sure you still have a job, guys. All right? Please. Number two, do not buy any furniture. Reason being is it does two things. It drops your credit score, number one. Number two, it increases your debt. And if you're in the border of qualifying for your home, this might affect your ability to close on that home, okay? Number three, do not pay off any debts or collections unless instructed by your mortgage lender. Reason being is that you probably think you're doing something positive, but it might actually bring down your credit scores and affect your home loan. And number four, guys, don't get your credit checked by many mortgage lenders. This might affect your credit score. And again, affect the ability for you to get home financing. I hope this message helps. Have a fantastic day and week.